Yo, people, them, what's good? Man, like Jamo, look, it's been a long time since we've even done a video on the Honda E, and you know, this time of year when it's freezing, we got to see what the mileage is saying, fam, because we know we're gonna want that heater, we're gonna want them heated seats, we're gonna try and do 150-ish miles up to Birmingham, and we're gonna see if we're gonna freeze to death. I think I'm gonna stop at Milton Keynes Coachway first of all, see how much miles we got there. Yeah, Southeast London to Birmingham, let's go. Babes, have you got everything? Yeah, you got snacks? We need snacks. Hey. Okay. Right, so guys, I've literally moved from there about 5 meters down and I've got 98%. And the heating is not even on yet. Jesus. Babes, turn off that heated seat. We're not having any of that. We're not having any of that. Oh my gosh, what you like, mate? Just want to say, guys, so far it's looking good. We've done 0.2 miles and lost 3%. I think we've only got 150 more miles to go, so it's not looking too bad. At least it's 70 miles to Milton Keynes, so we should make it there before passing out.
Do it 50 miles per hour.
Exactly. Alright, so my first part of the journey, pretty much simple, yeah, like literally A roads all the way, fam, and obviously motorway and thing, A13, M11, M25, M1, 50 to 60 miles per hour all the way, little 2.2 heating and heated seats there. I can't lie, the percentage was dropping fast. It was dropping the hella fast, fam. Didn't think it was gonna make it. All right, people, so we made it. We're at the Lidl in Milton Keynes. We're at a little pod point here. Done know. We did, how many miles have we done so far? 74.8 miles. Got 12% battery left and estimated 11 miles of range. So we weren't gonna make it all the way to Birmingham. You getting up the Podpoint app, babes?
Yep.
Yeah. Podpoint app is pretty much simple though, isn't it? You just gotta scroll it up. When it works. Yeah, I suppose so. And then you gotta make sure. The thing is with Podpoint, let me change the camera angle 1 sec. See Podpoint, yeah. One of the things is that when you plug it in straight away, it will start charging, and you'll be like, "Oh, good,
what's good to go?
Let's go." 15 minutes later, if you do not confirm your charge via the Podpoint app, it will stop charging. Your car will just. And if you haven't got an app,
you'll be coming back to your car like, right,
yep,
ready to go.
You'll be coming up to your car. You'll have like 5% more battery, if that. So remember, when you're using Podpoint, always confirm your charges on the application. Yeah. Plug that, babes. Yeah. Hey, yeah, babes. Oh yeah. Is there anything you'd like to say to your fans on YouTube? Subscribe. Yeah.
Like, comment.
Yeah. You're gonna plug it in here, babes. Okay. How you feeling?
Let me just confirm.
You're looking nice today.
Wow.
Alright, so yeah, 13%. It's doing 33 kilowatts per hour. This is a 50 kilowatt charger. I wondered if it's not doing 50 kilowatt because this car is also charging, this guy next to us, and he's using 43 watt AC power. We're using the DC thing, so hopefully it'll be different. Anyway, the time is 11:42. I'll check the timer in like half an hour and see how good it is. Anyway, my baby's bro lives up here, so we're gonna see what I got in it. Catch you guys in a bit. There we go, charging stopped. Bez, what are you saying?
Just double checking that it's stopped.
What's it saying on the app? Let me see the app.
App is loading, thank you.
Yep, that's what it's saying on the app. Anyway, on to the next part of our journey. Alright, people, so 99%. Let me see how many miles we got. Yeah, 0.0 miles. 84 miles, sorry. Estimated. And we've got 66 miles to go, so I think we can afford some heating, babes. How are you feeling about that?
Sponsored by Maltesers.
Sponsored by Maltesers, okay, let's go. Now, I can't lie, yeah, so this next part of the journey, we was actually cold in it, fam, so we just put the thing on 23.5 degrees, I think it's 23 degrees there, put our seat warmers on, we was doing like 60 miles per hour in a little bit of a traffic jam, as you can see here. And we just did this for the next 67 miles, fam. Like, it was calm. Bare trucks overtaking us and ting, but do you know what? We had plenty of time, weren't rushing anywhere. So it was just vibes with a little bit of Netflix. You done know the ting, innit? Oof, we made it, guys. We made it. 67.8 miles. We had 31 miles left of estimated range and 29%, which is kind of what it usually is in summer times, really. Like, the amount of miles you got is usually quite close to the amount of percent you've got. So if you got 50%, you got 50 miles. 30 miles, you got 30%. You know, you understand, innit? So yeah, we got babes plugging in the thing right now. Don't know. I guess I'll show you guys what's good. Oh,
Why? It's always good to plan ahead. So we booked a hotel
Yeah.
that had a charging point. But
Yeah.
I booked a hotel that had a charging point.
okay. So I feel like somebody's blowing their own trumpet, really, but it's okay. Look, do we need an app for this? Is it gonna start charging?
I think it's just not charging.
How to activate the EV charger. Scan the QR code of your phone. Okay, here we go. It's a QR thing. Yep. Right, babes, where's your phone? Because I'm filming. Yeah.
So I can't just plug it in and it starts working?
Nah, mate.
Kids really, aren't they?
Come on, mate. Let's get it.
Well, I hope we
Hey,
have
scan the
to- I
QR
hope we have
code.
to pay for this.
Scan it. Right, what's that saying? Let's do this in real time. Let's show people
babes.
what the struggles are. It's a good thing there's internet down here, otherwise we wouldn't be able
Just
to get
about.
this.
I've only got one thing.
Okay.
35p per kilowatt.
35p, yeah, that's about what it is. That's actually decent because everywhere's charging like 50p now, 55p. Is there an app to download? Google Pay, yeah?
So slow there because of the signal.
The signal's bad. Oh, yeah, do you think?
Let's see if this works, though, babes. We'll finish if it doesn't work. We actually have no plan B.
We've got no plan B?
I'm on 3%.
What, a battery?
Yes.
Damn.
Okay. Successfully debited your wallet.
Okay.
Now what? That still says 0.
So... Now what? I can't lie, that was long, guys. That was long. The app,
long?
the app, fam, the
Ah,
app. To be honest, the app. Now that I'm an experienced EV driver, so I understand how the app worked, innit? Because the app,
kilowatt thing was confusing.
yeah, the app was asking how many kilowatts do you want to charge. I have never had an EV app ask me how many kilowatts I want to charge. Usually, you just plug it in and you charge it. Yeah, you charge it to whatever percentage. This app was like, how many kilowatts do you want to charge? Now, me knowing that I had 28 kilowatts maximum in the car, I just put 27 kilowatts because I had like 3% left. Kept it moving. Yeah.
Start on 100%.
Hopefully, we will start on 100% tomorrow.
No, but I think it's legit. It's
think
telling
it's
me
legit?
to stop charging if I want to or whatever.
Well, I guess we'll find out, guys. Oh, this light is really good at lighting us
Oh,
up,
guys.
isn't it? Yeah. Anyway, in a bit.